Hi, I'm Disney artist and historian Stacia Martin, and I'm thrilled to be here helping celebrate 50 years of Walt Disney World. And what better way to celebrate than one of our favorite animated stars? It was in animation, of course, that Walt Disney got his start, and these characters have stayed with him throughout his whole career, and they're now a treasured part of the Magic Kingdom tradition. Right now, I'm going to draw Dumbo, who was the star of a 1941 Walt Disney animated feature. Just a little, very small fable, which was brought to Walt Disney's attention by his story men, Joe Grant and Dick Humer, who said, this is a darling little book. It's a children's book by Helen Aberson and Harold Pearl about a little elephant in the circus who, really through no fault of his own, didn't have a very good time of it because all the other elephants teased him because when he arrived, his ears were found to be enormous. But those ears, as his best friend Timothy Mouse said, even though they were the thing that held him down socially, they were eventually the thing that would carry him up and up to the very stratosphere of success and fame because, of course, Dumbo became the world's one and only flying elephant. And when Disneyland in California opened in 1955, Dumbo was there because he was an attraction in Fantasyland. And here at Walt Disney World in the Magic Kingdom, the Dumbo Flying Fleet is an extremely popular attraction where the young and the old can take to the sky and believe that an elephant can fly. And that's what Dumbo's story really is all about, is believing in yourself. And if you look carefully on Dumbo's family crest, you'll see a little inscription on the ribbon that's below it, and it says, "Believe and soar." And that is exactly what Dumbo did and what his success can remind everyone of. And speaking of success, it's so hard to believe that it's been 50 years since the arrival of Walt Disney World on the scene. But this was one of Walt Disney's greatest dreams, to expand the world of entertainment from the screen into experiences that everyone could inhabit that were just as magical and as enchanting as the films that they'd all grown up with. So here at Walt Disney World, we have the environments, we have the dreams come true, and we have the characters, the friends that we've grown up with, here to interact with and to prove that indeed the worlds of fantasy can indeed collide with our worlds of reality. And aren't we all the better for believing in things like flying elephants and magic carpets and wishing upon stars? Because that's what Walt would have wanted us all to do, to take the fruits of our imagination and, as Dumbo might say, fly with them. Happy birthday, Walt Disney World, the place where all these dreams can come true.